Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to open up my Colourpop mystery box. I bought the $49 box. I think it's called the CP Confidential. And we're going to see what's inside. Hi, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer and I post unboxings and I also post other makeup material such as get ready with me's and hauls and all kinds of beauty related materials, first impressions, things like that. But I also, because I am agoraphobic, I also post topics related to agoraphobia. If you are interested in topics regarding either of those subjects or both of those subjects, then I highly recommend you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you are notified every time that I upload a video. So if you're interested in seeing what is in my Colourpop mystery box, because I surely am interested, I have absolutely no idea what is in here. Like, sometimes when I get boxes, I already know what's in them. But I have absolutely no idea what's in here. So if you're interested, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Like I said, even in my BoxyCharms, I know at least one item that's in the box. And this is a complete mystery to me. So let's open it up and see. Okay, hold tight. Just 1 second. I'm going to get my glasses so I can read the tiny print on some of these things. Okay, it's just sometimes things have tiny print on them and I can't read it at all. Okay, let's start off with this right here. It is Soothing Skin Sesh Oat. It's oat face milk. Okay, I can get down with that. Oat milk from Fourth Ray Beauty. Let me put my glasses on. It says, comfort nudie skin with a hug of nourishing oat milk. A hydrating blend of oat, jojoba, and squalene replenishes dry skin. I've got dry skin with lightweight moisture. Use a drop of milk to restore skin to a happy, healthy complexion. Okay, that sounds good to me. I like that. Okay, we've got something from Soul Beauty here. Soul Body, I mean. It's a shimmering dry oil. Oops. And it looks kind of like that. I might put that in a giveaway. I'm not really into shimmering body oil, but it says what it is. A Luxe lightweight dry oil with next level multi-dimensional shimmer. How to use it. Shake well, massage into skin using fingertips or buff into skin using a brush. Apply liberally to highlight your highlight. Okay. It doesn't have like a flavor or anything like that. It's just dry shimmering oil. Okay. Let's see what this is back here. Medium fluff brush. Okay, let's take a look at that. Okay, we've got this here. I might put this in a giveaway as well. I didn't touch the bristles. but you can also clean it if you get it in a giveaway. And now we've got this lippy pencil, okay, in Cool BFF. That is the color right there. I won't swatch it. It's kind of a brown color. And this one is called Boots. This is a cream gel liner. Oh, that one's pretty. This one rolls up and down. I think the other one was sharpenable. You had to sharpen. And I think this box, I paid $49 for it, but I think that their total retail value was like around 100, 110, they said on the website. This right here is their Act Natural Defining Mascara. And I think it's just a plain black mascara. And this is a lippy stick, okay, in the shade Trust Me, and it's matte. Okay, that's the color of it right there. Lots of good stuff in here. And then they have a So Juicy Plumping Gloss in the shade Beechwood. And now I have this already. And I use this one quite often. That is the color of it right there. So that one definitely is going into a giveaway. And it looks like we have some loose... Oh, wait a minute. We've got a eyeshadow quad called La Belle of the Ball from the Animal Crossing collaboration. And that's what she looks like right there. Very pretty. It's the purple one. Put that back in her little box there. And it looks like we've got a pressed glitter in the shade Glitters. Okay, let's see if you can see that. It's just a glitter as far as I can tell. And then there's a Super Shock shadow. Oh, all right. In the shade Birthday Wish. That's very pretty. And then finally what we have in here is the Super Sharp Blush. Okay. And the color Cheerio. Oh, that's quite a deep red, beautiful color. Burgundy almost, it looks like. Okay, so to go over it again, we got the Super Shock Chic, the Super Shock Shadow, and Birthday Wish. The Super Shock Cheek was in Cheerio. We got the Glitter and Glitters. We got La Belle of the Ball eyeshadow palette. We got the Soul Body Shimmering Dry Oil. We got the So Juicy Plumping Gloss, which I really love those a lot. We got the brush, the medium fluff brush. We got the lippy pencil in Cool BFF. We got the lippy stick in Trust Me. We got the mascara in Act Natural in brown. Oh, it's a brown mascara. Okay. And we got this oat milk from Fourth Grade Beauty. I'm going to set that to the side here. And we got a cream gel liner in Boots. We got that all in this box. Okay, I think that was a good box for $49. What do you think? Leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think. You'll probably be seeing a lot of that stuff in giveaways. And tell me what you think. Is that some stuff that you would like to see in giveaways? Is that good stuff? Did I waste my money? Let me know down below what you think. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And it would really help me out a lot. And it just takes a second. And yeah, I want to hear from you. Let me know what you think. And that's all I have for you today. I hope you are having a wonderful, fantabulous, fantastic day. And if you are not, I sure hope something comes along and sparks your day and makes it a lot better. And if you're having an especially hard time, then just remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe. And I am sending you the good vibes to help you get better. And remember, we are having a giveaway. Right now we are in the middle of a giveaway. I will leave the link down below to the specific video that you need to watch to enter the giveaway. And yeah. Okay, y'all have a good one, please. And I will see you in my next video. I have another video out tomorrow, and it is a makeup video. It is my favorites and fails, and I will see you then. Okay. Alright, take care until then. Goodbye.